The similarities and difference of RA 9344 or Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act from United States of America. Welcome to this video exploring the similarities and differences between the juvenile justice systems of the Philippines and the United States. In the Philippines, the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006 or RA 9344 guides the handling of children in conflict with the law. In the United States, the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act, while not a single federal law, provides a framework for state-level juvenile justice systems. Let's go on their difference. Age of jurisdiction. In the Philippines, RA 9344 defines children in conflict with the law as below 18 years old, while in the US, the age varies by state, with the most states setting it at 17 or 18 years old. In sentencing, Philippines emphasizes alternative sentencing options such as community service and counseling, while in the US system allow for detention and incarceration in more cases. Let's go on their similarities. Focus on rehabilitation. Both systems emphasizes rehabilitation over punishment. However, the Philippines has a strong focus on restorative justice, emphasizing reconciliation between the child and the victim. Diversion program. Both systems utilize diversion programs to keep children out for formal proceedings. However, the Philippines has a wider range of diversion programs, including community-based programs. These differences reflect distinct cultural and legal contexts. The Philippines, with its strong emphasis on family and community, prioritizes restorative justice and reintegration. The U.S. system, with its focus on individual responsibility and due process, often utilize a more formal and legalistic approach. RA 9344 in the Philippines and the Juvenile Delinquency and Prevention Act framework in the United States, while both systems aims to protect the children, they have distinct philosophies and practices. Thank you for watching.